Hello friends, this is the Outdoor Decor Collab. Our host is Rustic and Lace and Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their channel in the description box and the playlist of the other amazing creators. Today Terry will be working on a Patriotic door hanger.
For Profits group. And inside of that group, I give the original away to one of our members. I have a little drawing wheel, and this one went to Kathy, so I'm going to personalize it for her. Let me bring you up over here. Maybe. We hope we're going to the right place. There I am. All right, let me get my comments over here. All right. So I want to put their name on the back of this. I think right here on the tailgate. But being with red and white, it's not going to show up as well. So we're going to make a nameplate, actually back here. I wish I had a flat edge. That would make my life a little bit easier. Oh, I do have one. Just put that right up there, and that'll make life a little bit easier. I love how this truck came out. I've been doing a few more trucks here lately than what I had, and I want to be making a truck for every holiday now. Oh, excuse me. We just did a fish truck for Father's Day. You know what? I didn't do one at Easter time. Next I'll be on to Halloween or fall. As long as my straight edge is straight, it would be good. So I'm getting ready to announce the lineup for the virtual home decor marketplace. We have live sales tonight, tomorrow night, and Monday night. So what's everybody doing for Memorial Day weekend? Is everybody just sitting in the house? I'm kind of wanting to just go home and take a nap myself. And I'm trying to figure out if I want cursive or if I just want it plain print. I love cursive, but it's getting harder for especially some people to read cursive anymore. Of course, I don't have anything on my screen, but they're on here. Hi, Debbie. I don't know why I'm not getting any information on my screen. And I bought some flags yesterday at the thrift store. I gotta get my Uncle Sam guy out on my porch and start decorating now. And I've been making a lot of patriotic stuff. So this was my project inside the group last week. The week before was this one. I still have to go in and detail him up, but I'm loving the gnome guy as well. And then, of course, the Highland cow that we just did inside of the group. So if I were to keep all my stuff, I would have a lot to decorate with. I'll get that so don't see through it. I have not sealed it yet, so I don't want to get that extra paint on there. Then I left the license plate area blank. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to put there yet because she asked me to personalize it any way I wanted. So that I need to lift that off of the background. Oh, my daughter just called me from Hobby Lobby. I need burnt umber so bad. But we'll just have to use some black and brown. A little bit more there. Then I think I'm going to also dry brush it just a little bit. Oops. My husband's, I haven't had any input into that garden back there, and I just went to check it, and he's got vegetables growing from seed. I was pretty impressed. A couple of years ago we planted blackberry bushes, and last year they were good, but this year it's like amazing how many we've got out there. Okay, got that. We need to shade it up just a little bit. That brush. That's one side. I want to get this done so I can get it to her and then finish up my tutorial. So what I do with these is I teach them inside of my painting group, and now I'm going to be selling the single tutorials as well. So that's what I've been doing today, is trying to update my website. And I got a little bit of it done, and then I decided I'm just going to hire somebody to do it. I had no desire to. Alright, so all we have to do is put their name in here. Find a small enough brush. I guess I do want it to be a little bit thicker so you could see it from the road since it's a door hanger. So let's use a longer brush. That brush isn't going to cooperate very well. So let's clean that out a moment. I've got it in there. Maybe I'll put my stencil and stencil some little stars around the name. I'll do a combination of print and cursive. It was nice that I got a short name for shorts. That's clever. Sometimes when I would personalize at craft shows, I would get the longest names. And I always thought, oh my gosh, if I would have had to have learned that name when I was in school, it would have been good. Yay, we got it all the way across. Then on this license plates, let's come up with something like what should I put there? Actually, I'm going to use black on that and a smaller brush. And let's just put America across there. Find my thing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these printed on wood, and I'm going to order 12 of them, and then that way I can sell them, because there is no way I will ever spend 4 hours painting this guy again. So I'm going to take pre-orders on it, and then that way I can personalize them. And I figured I better get going on that, because before the season's over, that's usually me. I wait until the season's almost over, and then I'm like, I should have. I have good intentions anyway. Yeah, that'll work. Make sure I get it in the center here. Boy, I tell you, I haven't been lettering for a while. And when you don't letter all the time, it's a little bit trickier to get back into it. I think it looks adorable. It does need a couple of stars on the plate, but hi, Deborah. Perfect. Yay, yay. I was like, when it comes together, and you don't have to, because sometimes I worry about it, and many of times I get cover it all and start all over. Let's put just, let's hope that they're dry. Put just a couple little stars in here. Ah, that sets it off. Do another one here. Perfect. Just a little. Yay. I love it. Oh, anyway, ladies, I'm going to go because now I'm going to take a picture of it after it is all finished. And this is a tutorial inside my Painting for Profits group, and I will be putting a post or a link to that group. All right, have a great evening, everybody.